I'm Rekha and I'm the Chief Trainer of KalpaTharu Consulting. There are 12 project management principles laid down by PMI in the year PMBOK version 7. We are going to discuss the 8th project management principle, build quality into processes and deliverables. So what is quality? Quality is the degree to which the set of inherent characteristics of the product fulfills the requirements. To make it simple, quality is all about meeting the stakeholders' expectation. So, when we're talking about meeting the stakeholders' expectation, it includes both the explicitly mentioned requirements and also implied needs. So, when I say explicitly mentioned requirements, the stakeholders would have given the set of functions and features the product should fulfill. You should meet the product should meet those explicitly mentioned requirements and also the implied needs. See, the customer may not have mentioned that it has to be of zero defects or minimal defects or it has to work in a specific speed, but your product has to meet those requirements, the implied needs as well. Only then we can say the product is of quality. Apart from the stakeholders' expectations, the product also has to meet the acceptance criteria. So when I say acceptance criteria, I recollect few phrases which has been defined by certain quality gurus or few quality gurus like first time, first right, zero defects, fitness for use. So these defines it is explicitly understandable like what is quality. So when we're talking about quality, it is not just about identifying the defects and rectifying the defect, but it is also about preventing the defect and it is also about continuous improvement. So when we are talking about quality, there are few other factors which has to be adhered to. That is performance. The product has to fulfill all those functions and features, the functionality of the product. So that is performance. And then conformance. Conformance is the product should be fit to use, right? And then resilience. Due to unforeseen situation, if the product fails, the product should be able to repair and quickly come to function, right? And then reliability. Reliability is every time you use the product should function in the same way. So these are few other characteristics when we are talking about quality. And when we're talking about quality, the product has to fulfill the stakeholders' explicitly mentioned needs, implied needs, and also there can be requirements based on the policies and procedures of the organization due to regulatory aspects. So those requirements also has to be met. Only then we can say the product is of a quality product. And when we are talking about quality, it is not just about the deliverables meeting the requirements, but even the processes and the procedures, the activities which you follow in the project or in your operations has to meet the quality requirements, right? So when we are talking about quality, it includes both the deliverables and the processes. So we use to evaluate the deliverables, we use inspection. To evaluate the processes, we use audit. So let us focus on quality and ensure the product is of a quality product fulfilling the needs of the stakeholders. So the 8th project management principle is build quality into the processes and deliverables. If you like this video, like this YouTube video and subscribe to our channel for more learnings. Thank you for your time. Meet you again in yet another video. Thank you.